Let's cut across to big breaking news that's coming in from Punjab. Amid the war of Sardars between Navjot Singh Sidhu and Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Channi, here's a development that will have Sidhu all smiles today. He's gotten his way. One of his demands have been met as the Punjab DGP has now been replaced. Sidhu gets his way over Chief Minister Channi on the appointment of the DGP. Siddharth Chattopadhyay is the new DGP of Punjab, as Sahota, over which Sidhu was against, has been replaced now. This was one of the primary demands that Navjot Singh Sidhu kept putting forth, and now that demand has been addressed. DGP has been replaced in Punjab, Sahota has been shown the door, and now someone else has taken over. This was one of many demands that Navjot Singh Sidhu had put forth, in fact, and we'll have to wait and watch to see exactly what's prompted this decision. But there's no doubt that Chief Minister Channi will feel slighted over this move. Kamaljeet Sandhu is joining us live with more details on this. Kamaljeet, good morning. This is a news break that Sidhu will be very, very happy over. For the last many months, he's been using up all of his energy to make a case against the DGP. And it looks like he's got his way with the DGP now being replaced. Why really was this decision taken? Has there been any reaction that's coming from the Chief Minister?
Well, let me first tell you that IPS Sahota has been replaced by Siddharth Chattopadhyay, a 1986 batch officer. Siddharth Chattopadhyay is the one whom the PCC chief, that is Navjot Singh Sidhu, had been backing. But one must remember, this is an interim order which came in late last night, saying that the ADG Armed Police Force of Jalandhar is also going to be looking at additional charge as DGP. Now, this entire controversy has broken out. We've been told in the sacrilege case as one of the kin of those who had died was sitting on a hunger strike, and that is what really prompted the government to take this particular step. This is also at a time where 9 names had been sent to the UPSC panel. That panel is supposed to revert back on the 21st. And even though many were pointing out that IPS Sahota's days were numbered because the panel would have given up the name, the fact that the government seems to be under pressure to act, whether it is regarding AK Asthana, another ADGP officer who's gone on leave, he alleging that he's been under pressure to act against certain Kali Dal leaders on drug trafficking case. But Siddharth Chattopadhyay is important because he also headed a SIT on the drug probe case. And he also alleged that several of the cops and top cops at that point of time, DGP Suresh Arora and the earlier DGP Dinkar Gupta, were also involved in a certain sense of complicity of helping this particular angle. But clearly, when the sides and the battle lines are drawn, this kind of a late night order has surprised everybody. And in particular, this is only going to be seen as an interim order because once the UPSC panel, in which Siddharth Chattopadhyay's name is once again there, and this is when PCC chief has been backing this entire thing. But the way it kind of plays out, because today the EC panel officers are here. Yesterday they met politicians, and today they were going to meet the cops. So it's going to be the new DGP who will be meeting the EC panel.
Okay, interesting developments this. Kamaljeet, thank you for joining us with all those details. We'll continue to track all the reactions that come in on this story.